Assalamu alaikum beautiful people, welcome to another vlog. Let me just start off by saying next 30 days you're gonna learn a lot of new things. You're gonna see the beauty of so many cities. But first, let me tell you how I got here. So Waqar Malik is driving because Waqar Malik is a good guy. सबसे पहला ऐसा दोस्त है जो छुरा घोपता है, लेकिन ये है कि छुरा घोपने के वो हॉस्पिटल भी ले जाता है। बोलते हैं टफ लव।
वकार को कहा वकार ये जो मेरे पैसे हैं ये लो, तुम मेरी तरफ से कॉफी लो, I'll pay for it. Paying for the coffee, I still made $20 profit.
शाबिर जैसा दोस्त हो ना तो गाड़ी में मत पैसे रखा करो।
भाई ये मेरा वॉलेट तेरे पास क्या कर रहा है?
पैसे निकले मुझे भी दे देना।
मेरी शक्ल को क्या हो गया?
Alright guys, we've made it.
Yay!
Alright Shabir, I'll see you in like a month, bro.
I will be happy for a month that you're not in Canada.
Who's gonna come to your house every day?
So true. Who's gonna come to my house every day?
Waqar Malik is still there, don't worry. Your food won't be taken away. So in the Middle East, this is the grilled chicken. It looks so different, right?
Hey beautiful people, I've arrived safely now, so I'm hitting the road with my brother. You already know him, Sham.
I didn't advertise it anywhere, I didn't tell anyone, I just showed up. Been a while to see everybody at the table. Subhan, I like your hairstyle. Came into the room, they had set up for me here. So cute drawing. So sweet. So maybe you already figured it out. Time to take the cat out of the box. Is that a figure of speech? I am in Pakistan and I'm gonna be here for a while. Came to see my family, but I made sure that I did it unannounced. Right now, nobody knows except my family. I might make something public since this vlog is gonna be public that I am in Pakistan. If you guys are from Pakistan, comment below, comment your city. Maybe I'll try to have a meet and greet. Ready-made breakfast, boiled eggs, some nice desi chai. You guys want to know something funny? So I was trying to fly the Phantom drone. If you guys can see all these birds, they're basically just going around the Phantom 4 and they want to attack it. My dad got me some steam roll. It's cool. Alright guys, I'm gonna introduce you to Zain. Assalamu alaikum. You need to know something about Zain. Very scared of my dad. The good thing is that while I'm in Pakistan, there's a lot of peace here. Let's see how long my sister-in-law takes to get this car out. Just so you guys know, that was 45 seconds. So this is my nephew Subhan. Subhan, what is this?
No,
So this is a Lamborghini of hoverboards?
Yes.
So I'm gonna introduce you my cousin. His name is Boom Boom. His name is actually Haseeb, but we call him Boom Boom. Is it a sandwich?
No, it's basically a paratha. It has chicken pieces in it.
He's actually a slim guy, so we were like, you know what, he's Boom Boom. So that's how his name started. Haseeb, so we're gonna give you a choice to choose a name. From now on, we're gonna call you either Boom Boom or Grill Panini.
Call me as
No. It has to be one. What do you guys think? Grill Panini or
Panini.
Boom Boom? Grill Panini?
Panini.
Okay, Panini.
Okay, panini.
Daddy's boy. My brother's addiction to coffee. So we are gonna go on a ride. Panini? Zani. We came to Green Valley. Apparently, what is this Green Valley?
Hypermarket.
What's
get
a
everything.
hypermarket? Is that like a supermarket?
Yeah, exactly. You get everything under one roof.
Shabir? क्या बात है? Shabir, car Malik bhi hai idhar. Bakar? Basically, Green Valley is kind of like Walmart. Has a little bit of everything. Just came to McDonald's. All the McDonald's are halal, so you can eat anything here. This is what the hype is all about. These guys are addicted to this. Let me tell you guys something. The value of signals is almost nil. At the gas station, Aseeb ne bhi thodi si pee li hai. So what you guys probably don't remember is that was an amazing shape last time when I came. He had abs. Bhi amazing.
Abhi ab hai bas.
We are going right now to get some pan.
Pan khaye saiya hamara pakka. O khai ke pan banaras wala.
Panini wala. So you're gonna be hearing a lot of panini.
Panini kya hai?
Pappu pan are the best. Pappu
Pan. Pappu pan. PP connection.
PP, they're gonna go to the washroom. Alright guys, so it's time to wrap up the vlog. As you guys know, I'm in Pakistan right now. It is beautiful here. People think Pakistan full of dirt. I'm gonna show you guys so much beauty. And it's gonna be very loud, very crazy because my nieces, my nephews, my cousin, all of them are gonna be here. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, subscribe to the main channel for Jana. Till next time, Assalamu alaikum beautiful people.
Assalamu alaikum beautiful people. You missed me. Yes. Assalamu alaikum beautiful people.
Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people.